How to use Tryg car insurance Denmark properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Tryg car insurance is a trusted provider in Denmark, but many drivers make mistakes that can cost them money or leave them underinsured. The surprising truth is that having a policy alone isn't enough. You need to know how to use it properly. One of the biggest mistakes is relying only on liability coverage. While it meets legal requirements, it won't cover damage to your own car. Comprehensive coverage ensures your vehicle and finances are fully protected, particularly if you own a new or valuable car. Misunderstanding deductibles is another common pitfall. A low deductible reduces out-of-pocket expenses but increases premiums, while a high deductible lowers premiums but could leave you paying more after an accident. Choosing the right balance is key. Failing to update your policy is another trap. Life changes like moving, adding a new driver, or purchasing a new vehicle can affect coverage. Not informing Tryg may result in delayed or denied claims. Many drivers also overlook discounts. Tryg offers savings for safe driving, accident-free records, and bundle policies. Missing these can cost hundreds of kroner every year. Finally, understanding the claims process is crucial. Document damages, report incidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims representative to avoid delays or reduce payouts. By avoiding these mistakes, you can make the most of Tryg car insurance Denmark. Ensure proper coverage, choose the right deductible, update your policy regularly, use discounts, and understand the claims process. This ensures your insurance works effectively and keeps you protected on every drive.